It's another day to be alive, another beautiful morning, another wonderful day. Take a walk with me, guys, with my husband, Efo. We're taking a walk around our neighborhood towards Costco. So Costco has two locations, the one in the north and the one in the east. So we stay around the east, and it's kind of a lengthy walk, not too lengthy actually. But let's take that walk together and enjoy the scenery, enjoy the beauty. We're still in summer, although summer is wrapping down, or is it up now? But the weather is sometimes chilly, sometimes hot. It comes up cold in the morning and late at night. But during the day, it's hot and the weather seems really accommodating for some of us that we still prefer the warm weather to the cold one. So this particular day we decided to walk, and we actually got into Costco and started walking around. I know I've done a Costco video, not the entire Costco store really, but at some point I think I just did a video around Costco, going around and seeing what Costco offers, from electronics to food to pharmaceutical to clothes to shoes, everything really. It's like a one-stop shop. But the beauty, or should I say the downside of Costco, is that you have to pay a membership fee. So it's whether you're an executive member or whatever member, that you have to pay an annual fee. And that annual fee actually gains you access into Costco, unlike some other stores. So if you don't have that access, if you don't have that annual fee, you can't gain access, because you're probably just going to look around, because you can't shop, you can't buy anything. You need that card, and you need to be able to pay with a MasterCard. So F1 and I took a walk around Costco, and we were just looking around, got a few things. He needed one shirt. You can see he bought one shirt. Two shirts. But we didn't have plans to buy anything. We just wanted to take a walk around, but he realized that he could pick just one of those. Then women, we always have one thing to buy for the house. So I remember that we needed to buy bread. So we're walking towards that direction. And but Costco is a good place. It's a wholesale store. You can get things in bulk. Like you can see behind me, you can see bulk things stacked up in shelves. And these are places where you can buy things in bulk. If you shop in bulk for 3 months, 6 months, whatever, just depends on what you have or you need for your household. So you just stock in bulk, so you don't have to repeat that visit all the time. You will spend more if you shop in bulk. Know that for one. And if you have children that eat a lot, you probably should have a store like we have in our country that you can lock it up. Else they are going back there or they are eating it up as they see it. That's children for you. So you need to be mindful about this when you are doing bulk shopping. I typically don't do so much of bulk shopping. I have control because my children have control, and there's no problem. So this actually cracked me, because I wanted to also film, and I turned the cart to film, and my husband did not catch the drift at all. He was like, I'm blocking the road, and I'm like, excuse me, I am a vlogger, I am vlogging. Then he pushed the cart away, and I said, oh no, you're spoiling my vibe. Then I had to reset, and because I was actually looking for bread, and I was looking at which one is fresh. There's the white one, there's the wheat one. So we have wheat bread, and the children eat the white bread. Looking at it sometimes, so I wonder, is there really a lot of difference? Because calorie wise is like 1%. I've checked it out, and surprisingly, I wonder why we eat wheat. They say for healthy living or healthy eating, but wheat, everything is flour. Wheat, even white, is actually wheat. Let's save that conversation for another day. So, well, after that mini shopping, we decided to walk back home. Just look at the vicinity. Look at how cloudy or bluey the sky is. The scenery. Look at the road. It was really an enjoyable ride. Walk. I'm used to ride, sorry. It was a really enjoyable walk. It took us about 1.5 hours back and forth, but it was really a good walk and a good time to really stretch out. So I enjoyed the walk, and as usual, got back home tired and back to getting the weekend preps going on, because of course, what else do we do? Prepare for the next week. So if you enjoyed this video, give it a thumbs up, like, subscribe, and we'll catch up soon. Just a lazy kind of video, but I'm sure you enjoyed that walk. Keep walking, guys. See you soon. Bye.